Okay, RMG, I wanted to show you. So I already created a video, but it gave me a little bit of an issue. But I wanted to show the software that we talked about that I mentioned at the end of our mastermind call. And I just want to show, I want to show a demonstration of how it works. So this is what it looks like. They have several different variations within here. This is everything. So up the top, at the very top, these are filters, and you can filter based upon what you want to create content around. So they have marketing frameworks, e-commerce, email, website, blog, whatever. They have these bunch of things. I'm going to click on maybe three of these ideas and demonstrate so you can see the power and the ability of this tool. And the reason I'm bringing it up is because it will help a lot of us with our marketing and our content creation. It will help in I said this in the other video, but it's unfortunate that it can take a job away from a person, but it works. And this is a way to cut costs for marketing and copywriting. This is like it's only available. I don't know what the details are. However, like to me, it's worth what it's the software is worth it even if you don't pay for the unlimited plan. However, they have the unlimited plan available for $99 a month. So you get unlimited content. You can create unlimited content for $99 per month. You can't hire a copywriter for $100 a month anywhere. So I just want you to think about that. Like some people consider software to be expensive, and sometimes some software is expensive. But in this case, where can you hire? Like think about the position and the time you save. Like where can you hire a copywriter for this for $100 a month, and how much time you're going to save with using this. So I want to show you this. So this is a framework. This is a old framework within real estate. You generate attention, interest, desire, action. Like that's a quick um, it's a quick marketing framework. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to click on here and just show you some of what I've been doing. So this is the content that I created in the other video, but I'm going to show you really quickly how easy it is to use this software. So real estate investing course, this is something that I input. And when you first get into the software, it's all blank and it looks like this. It's gray and it's giving you some suggestions and some outputs, right? You name your company or you name the product. I'm going to, in this instance, I'm going to name a real estate flipping, and I'm going to say this is an event about flip fixing and flipping real estate in, let's say, a specific market. So let's do Philadelphia, and I like professional, but you can play around with this once you get in here. But let's do a professional tone, and they give you some suggestions. If you hover over it, the icon, it'll take you to a page of more options that it can give you. Maybe I'll do that a little bit later in the video. I'm going to, and down here, these are, so it can give you like multiple outputs of an instance. You can do one, you can do three, four, you can get different variations of the output of whatever module you selected. So in this case, we selected the AIDA framework, and I'm just going to generate content. And while it's going to work its magic, and it should take typically it takes less than a minute, and you'll see here in a little bit, and it's going to put out some pretty decent, pretty decent content. So here we go. Attention. Are you looking for a new investment opportunity? Our recent event is about Okay, so our event is about fixing and flipping houses. We can teach you how. We're going to be talking about the ins and outs of flipping real estate in Philadelphia. So if that sounds like something you want to learn about, then don't miss out on this event. Desire. You won't find another event like this in Philly. It will be an interactive workshop where we show people how they can make money by investing in real estate. This is your chance to get started with one of the most lucrative investments today. Don't wait to sign up now. Then you got the action. Click here for more information on our upcoming events, or click here to register for the next workshop. So right there, that quickly, we came up with like decent, compelling copy that we can take over to a Facebook ad. We can take over to a blog article. We can put in an email just that quickly. Less than a minute, we came up with that copy by just putting in these keywords over here. And I didn't even put the word incorrectly. I put real flipping. So let me modify that. I put real flipping, but it was able to figure out that I meant real estate flipping. This was the second This was the second option. Attention, if you're interested in flipping real estate, this is the event for you. We'll be talking about the ins and outs of flipping houses. So it's repeating some of itself. Whether you're just starting out or you have been doing flips for years, there's something here for everyone. Join us at our next event. We can show you everything we know about flipping homes and making money off of them. It doesn't matter if your goal is buying property as an investment or just getting into the game. We've got some great tips for both. Excellent. RSVP today by clicking yes below. So that quickly, like we only did 2 outputs, but you can do as many as you need for whatever objective or whatever your target is. I'm going to go back to the dashboard and I'm going to mess around with the email headline. So I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to press email, and they have so not the headlines, the persuasive bullet points. I like to, so I was in here playing around on a prior video that messed up. You couldn't see everything, but I want to click that and I use Vina, right? So company product name, I just put a name in there. So I use Vina and a product description. So this is what it came up with before. You can see I was doing this 39 minutes ago, and I for some reason my video didn't show clearly. I think it was the software that I was using. It didn't show clear, but these are the bullet points that I got. But I want to show you what I want to show you in action. You're going to see what it does. So I'm going to come up with a whole new persuasive bullet points. So product name, I'm just going to leave Venus name in there. Product description is this is a wholesaling real estate course for new investors. Let's go with fix and flippers, and let's see if that changes anything. Real estate. Okay, so down here, remember I mentioned the output, so I have it up to 3. Let's do 5 just to see what happened. I meant to change the tone of voice, but too late. So let's do 5. We're going to do 5 outputs. Learn from the best. Get So here we go. We got 5. Let's start from the bottom. Learn how to make quick renovations and repairs. Get the skills traditional contractor and real estate agent since 1. You don't need any prior experience with home improvement or house flipping. These are all bullet points that is giving us automatically, automatically in less than a minute. Learn the best locations for investment opportunities. You'll find out about how to get cash buyers interested in your properties. We'll give you a complete strategy for getting started in real estate. And for some reason, this gave an entire paragraph to that one, but a lot of people don't know that they can make money from wholesaling or fixing and flipping houses, but it's true. When done right, these processes can be really lucrative. Vina Jones Cox, hey Vina, has been teaching new fix and flippers about wholesaling for years now. Our course includes everything a beginner needs to start making money with this process. We even cover strategies on finding buyers who want buy as is. So it missed a word, whatever, but it's still doing pretty good. You come in and you modify it. Learn the secrets of wholesale real estate. Save time and energy by learning from veteran wholesaler. Grow your knowledge and expertise in a wholesaling environment. Learn from the best. All these. So those were the 5 inputs that we got from just this content over here. So I'm going to show you. Let's change the tone of voice. Let's make it. Let's see if we change it to exciting. Let's see if that makes a difference. I'm going to generate, and I don't need 5 inputs. I'm going to take it down to 2. So it's working its magic. You can see it working down there and up top. Okay, so there we go. It's spitting out those bullet points for us again. Spitting out those bullet points. Best course to get real estate career started. Learn from real estate investors who flipped over 30 houses in a year. Qualify for financing. Like all of this stuff is super relevant to what it is that we do. And all we did was put in like a few keywords into the software here. So this is a way to like level up our copywriting and our marketing game. And that issue that we had about hiring copywriters and getting the marketing together, we can it's not fully eliminated. However, we can begin to eliminate a bulk of it. So the copywriting issue that a lot of people have, we resolved it by using this tool. And again, I just want to reiterate, I don't know where you can find a copywriter for $100 per month. Vina is an amazing copywriter. I know like this will save her a ton of time. And again, like I said, where can we save? Where can we pay for $100 a month and get an amazing copywriter like what we're seeing here. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to do one more demo. And let's see. So a lot of us are trying to do Facebook ads or something like that. Let's let's do a Facebook ad. Let's do Facebook ad headline. I haven't messed around with this yet. So Facebook, so product name. Let's do um, how to invest in real estate with no money. Okay, and I want to. This is a real estate event teaching, let's say, experienced investors how to invest in real estate, no money. On a voice, let's go with witty. Let's see what happens if we use witty. And so it's asking for examples. I don't have any examples. Let's go with two outputs. Let's generate that content and see what happens. Oh, nothing happens. I'm going to go back to the dashboard and let's use another one. So we did email, we did AIDA. Let's do, we did that one. Let's, okay, this is the one I wanted to show. So marketing angles, we're going to do marketing angles. So I did this one earlier. These were the outputs that I got and they were pretty good outputs. I'm going to do real estate. So product name, let's do, this is a course and I'm going to, so I can save time. This is a course for teaching new, teaching real estate, how to invest in mortgage notes. Make sure that's correct. Tone of voice, let's do, I tried witty. Let's see if we can get witty on this one. And let's just stick with the three outputs. Let's see what happens. So it's working its magic. You can see down here, working its magic, and it's finished. Okay, so there we go. We got the three inputs. Learn how to invest in mortgage notes the easy way. Have your money work for you. Make passive income with property and investments. And it's not, again, it's not all relevant. However, this eliminates a bulk of that thinking about what should I write for the Facebook ad? What should I put into the email? What should I write? This will eliminate a lot of that, and you can generate as many ideas as you want. So number two, investing in real estate notes can be confusing. This course will teach you how to invest in them safely and profitably. Investing in a mortgage notes could get you a great return on your investment, but it could also mean that you lose all of your money if your single note goes into default. But with this course, we'll guide you through the process of finding high quality deals while managing risk so you don't have to worry. If someone is looking for an easy way out or instant profits, then this isn't for them. We're here to help you. We're here to help people who want to know how things actually work. So all of this came from just this input over here. And I can say, I can agree that it was a little witty. How about we change the tone just one more time and let's go with sarcastic. Let's see what they have available. Let's do angry. And we're going to generate three outputs using that same stuff. The only thing we changed was the tone of voice. Let's see what happens. So don't let the other guy get these strategies first. Want to be successful in the real estate entry? Be smarter investor with this course. You're not alone over our interested, but only. Okay, so it changed, but it gives you these different angles. So I just wanted to point this out. I don't want to hold you too long. Look into the software. I'm making this video for my colleagues at RMG, which is Real Estate Mastermind Group. We mastermind, it's Real Estate Investment Association Mastermind Group. We mastermind on how to bring value to our real estate investment associations. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take I'm going to post a link to this tool in the description for anybody else that's interested, because I like to duplicate content. I like to recycle content. So this was a useful video. So if you are, I also teach like real estate agents. So if you're one of my real estate agents and you're watching this video, you can access, I'll put the description, I'll put a link in the description below. So this can save you a ton of time, and because you don't have to learn like copywriting. You come in here, and at this point you're only editing. Once you generate the content, you're only editing. And of course it's artificial intelligence, so it's going to learn more as time progresses. So I highly suggest, if you are trying to write copy and come up with, ad creative stuff like that, that you invest in this. And again, I just want to reiterate, where can you find a copywriter that you can hire for $100 per month? It's hard to find that. So I advise, like, we might think that software is expensive, but think about it in terms of person. Again, you're not going to find a compelling copywriter like this of what this tool is giving you. You're not going to find that for $100. So I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.